our Fim Iggy. Do your serious face. Yeah, you messed up your lipstick a bit. Gotta fix that whenever we get out. And then there's Mafia Romano back there. Hey, don't shoot me. And then Fim Scotty, got my gloves. But she's so mean. Ah, she's gonna shoot me. Oh no. But she's so mean. So that's pretty much it for now. And our total that we're there's the hotel!
I didn't think it would be.
There it is! Yay! That was the hotel, we're almost there. Lenscraft. I could probably got my contacts there.
Yeah, that's what we needed to go.
Why'd you drive pasta? I said pasta! Pasta!
So we need to get off on the next exit and then get back on.
Yeah, so
Because
we're here! Look to the side. Holy crap, those guys might be going. They might be like from like an anime group or something. Break your heart, wanna give you a heart. By the way, if you find any of your cosplay here on this video, just point yourself out. I'll say hi to you or something. Yeah. If there's any Americas, come and glomp our Iggy. Cars, we're here. We're here. Yay! After a long time, I finally got to cosplay.
Pizza Company.
Ooh.
Holy food.
Pizza. Holy food. Yes, pizza's holy food.
Cool.
We're at the Cobb.
Where do we park?
I don't know.
Oh my god, this is going to be crazy, James.
A Loki walked past and she was just gone. She was like, nope. Hello, nope. Hey, guess what? You went on YouTube. Go on YouTube, yeah.
I'm going, right?
I going?
Oh my god.
Hi, Nagomi! Oh my god, Latvia. I see Latvia. I see Latvia. Latvia! Hi. Have you seen Russia?
I haven't.
Oh. Yeah, he went over there. I suggest you go over there. Like he might get you. Oh my god, did you get shorter? I swear you got shorter. You're so cute. Oh crap! Hi Russia! Oh god, it's scary. That's female Iggy. That's female Iggy. She'll save you.
Oh, and I won't.
Don't faint. Don't faint. Does Latvia need a hug? You'll be okay. You'll be okay. That's so cool. Wait, have you seen it in Germany anywhere? Oh crap! Do we need to hide her then? If Francis here, do we need to hide her?
He's very small.
He's very I'm gonna try and go find him.
I mean a real kitten.
Yeah, apparently like everyone's shorter than they need to be. Except for you, you're a good cosplayer. That is so cute. What the? Skippity, 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 I'm so lost. Oh, hi, kitty. A bumblebee?
A little bumblebee, a little arm.
Stay. What the? What's wrong with you? Oh God. We have no idea actually. car, kitty. I'll stick Nepeta on you.
Oh no.
Oh, hey, I got a question. Wait, I got a question. Is it true that you lick Gamzee's horns?
Oh my gosh. I don't.
That is so weird.
I don't know. They don't know. Because, they don't know what they're waiting for.
Hi, Gamzee.
Find out. Come tell us what we're waiting in line for.
Standing in line.
So happy like and stuff. So you don't know what you're in line for?
Nope.
Trash can mommy at IHOP. I ran into a trash can.
You're smart. That's something to announce to the world. I ran into a trash can.
I did.
That's a little bit retarded.
Me?
Wait, do it again, sorry. Dang. It's so cute.
Polka dot.
Like, you're my favorite cosplay so far. That is so cute.
Everyone else looked at it too. Like, it's like, why would you look at someone new?
Did you see the Slender Man walking around? There's like 3 of them. Are you Bloody Mary? I'm sorry, I don't know what that's from. Is that Maka? Is that Maka from Soul Eater? Yes, it is. Madakai Tiku, Madakai Tiku. He's the Chibi Talia voice. You're so cute. Everybody does pasta. No.
She had.
Is it the rape shirt?
No, it's the demon shirt. The one,
Oh my god, there's a Prussia. Hi! You're so cool! She doesn't like you. She's a Mafia Romano. Good dog! You trying to kill him? That's what Gilbert does. Wait, come here. Oh, this is a bird. It's so cute.
Am I gonna be on the internet?
Yes. Go kiss it.
Oh, this is gonna be on the internet?
Yeah. YouTube.
Sorry.
Only you.
I didn't know that you could drop it.
I don't know.
I dropped my pocket. Oh
Hey,
god.
you dropped your pocket.
What? Wait, what?
You dropped your pocket. Jeez.
Kaylee, you talk sometime.
Wait, stop. Don't.
Yeah, we're the group of smart people here.
Come say girl.
Her?
Yeah.
Can I see your shirt? It's Grill. Hi. It's so cute.
Told you. Awesome shirt.
Hi, I'm Femme Scotland. Yes. You're so awesome. You got that right away.
I got it alright. I was like,
Precious too awesome for a beard. Precious too awesome for a beard.
Do they have things where you can watch the anime and stuff?
Hi, are you the hero? Are you the hero?
yes.
Like a boss. High five. Yeah, I high fived Gilbert. My hair's gonna fall off. Excuse me if I go bald for a second. You have no soul. How are you, Italy? You have no soul.
I am an exception with genders.
Okay. We'll believe that for now. Italy is the only exception for genders.
There's a movie theater here.
Oh my god, where's the freaking Sebastian? We need... Wait, do you know who this is?
You know who I am?
You're the first person to get that right today. So. And who's that? Oh. Oh my god. What? Who is that? Is that like? Am I seeing things? I swear I don't know. Are you sure? Wait. Who? Wait, what's your name again?
I don't know.
What it? Are you sure? I don't remember Canada anywhere. Oh. Don't worry, this is female Britain too, so it's kind of awkward. Don't worry, we still love you, Canada. You're like the best Canada I've seen. That's so cute. It was chibi too. Stop running over babies. We know you eat them, but stop running over babies. God. God. I mean, we know you're part of that touch trio. Come on, but still. Scotty does. High five for Scotty again. Yeah. Gaara, Sasuke, and Naruto, right? You're awesome.
Oh my god.
Hi. Oh my gosh, believe it. I want a hug from Sasuke, but he's emo, so he won't give me a hug. I want a hug from Sasuke, but he's kind of emo, so. I get a hug from Sasuke. I get a hug from Sasuke. Good girl. Can I have a hug without dying? Are you sure?
Yes.
Yay!
I'm shooting Gaara, so I'm not.
Okay, alright. Everyone's just giving hugs. Yay, hug party! Hug party! Come on!
I got a birdie on mine.
Kill her! Come here, Precious doesn't know how to do anything. Here, hold this.
It's like, I don't want like my circulation. Oh my goodness.
Precious,
And mine's already cut off. Look at this. Do you see that? Your hand could be like turning puffy, and that would be really
dude,
bad.
you're filming my crotch right now.
I feel bad for you.
5 meters.
Pervy crush. Pervy Prussian. Pervy. Like a
Filming your 5 meters. You have small wrists. Holy crap. Dude. God. Ah, that's my finger.
Precious malnutrition.
You can have that.
Keep that with my baby.
You're so cute. Oh, God. Where'd my glove go? Where'd my glove? Here, Precious gonna take over the camera for a second. Hold it.
Hey girl, what's up?
I look so derpy. It's going like a bird. Where'd my glove go?
Is it? It's not in your bag?
Maybe it's in my pocket. It was stuck to my hair.
On the floor. On the ground.
Of all places it could have been, it was my hair.
It's like tangled all up in here. My what?
You're gonna be our official like follow around person.
Yeah, I'm just gonna be like,
This is there.
or gonna follow me around, or I gotta follow you around? Cause
You follow the pressure around because pressure does not follow people.
I have followers.
On Twitter.
Like real life Twitter all up in
On
here.
Twitter.
Oh, I love that.
Wait, Grace would be so happy.